Hey, so in my last video, I sneezed a few times, and so I got some requests from that to make myself sneeze in in like another video. So I haven't been able to make some new videos lately, so except for now, and I'm gonna actually make myself sneeze for you guys. And so yeah, I got a few requests from a few different people and about like making myself sneeze. So yeah, I found Q-tip. I tried this. It was yesterday. Yeah, I just tried it, and it works. I got a few sneezes out. So well, I guess I'll go ahead and try it and see how many times I could sneeze. And oh yeah, there's one other thing. Let's see. Shout out to the Sneeze Fetish forum, because yeah, one of these, someone messaged me and inboxed me and like told me about it, so I thought it was pretty interesting. Like, people really like, people sneezing, so I'm here to bring it to you, if you like that. So yeah, make sure you comment, rate, subscribe after the video, or now. Alright, well, here I go. Try to get some sneezes out. Oh, it tickles. Oh, it makes you cough sometimes. Almost good. Oh, maybe I'll try the other side. I don't know if that'll work better. I guess it probably will. I feel it coming, like it's right there, but like I can't get to that spot. I think I got it. Oh my god. It worked. Oh. Alright, I got some out. Let me do this some more. I want to see like how long I can do it for. I got another Q-tip. Alright. Tickle some. Wow. It's like so relieving to sneeze. Like I always thought it was relieving, but this is like a different way. It's interesting. I don't mind it. Water gets your eyes all watery too, but it's alright. My nose is itchy as over home. do some more sneezes. Oh. Almost. Oh, that was like a cough. I don't know what that was. The last one. My eyes are really watering. Alright. Let's see. Oh yeah, wait. So, yeah, someone actually requested, or they messaged me to do like this stifling, I think it's called, like when you like hold in your sneezes almost. Like I don't like to do that like too much, but I guess like the sneeze, I guess I could try it like on my nose, like I don't know. I'll try that next, I guess. Alright. Alright, here we go. Always cough. Oh, yeah. Sorry, the weird noises. Just gives you that like gag reflex almost. Okay. Uh, oh my god. Yeah, it makes a funny sound. I don't usually sneeze like that. I usually just like let them out, like the other ones. But someone mentioned, if I could do that, so I guess that's it, right? What was that? Virus thing. Okay. Yeah, sorry, this thing came up on my screen. I'm like, where did I go? It's virus, antivirus. I'm like, what the? Alright. Damn, this is. Alright. Oh, 8 minutes already? At least I got in some sneezes, though. Alright, I guess I'll do like one more set of sneezes. I guess I'll stifle them again. I mean, I hurt a little my nose, but it hurts, but this will be the end, I guess. Damn. Okay. Try this. Oh my god. That really hurts. Wow. Oh my god. I feel like it's relieving to sneeze, but I feel like I just like went underwater and like forgot to like plug my nose. Like I feel like, oh, but it's like refreshing kind of. So I'm glad I got these sneezing requests. Any of you guys can request anything else if you'd like, sneeze related even, I don't mind doing it. Yeah. And yeah, I guess I'm pretty much done. I don't want to get like a nosebleed or anything. But yeah, it's pretty like beat up. Look at that. It's like, I don't know if you could tell, but my nose. Yeah. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and give me some more requests. Inbox me, comment, rate, subscribe. All right. Thanks.